Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy vegetable soup for a lazy afternoon. First I'm going to add a little bit olive oil on the bottom of the pan. I chopped one onion. I'm going to add it on top of the oil and cook it for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add half a tablespoon of salt on top of my onion, and then I chopped 2 baked tomatoes. I'm adding those on top of the onion and let it cook for about 2 minutes. I'm going to add about half a tablespoon of tomato paste, and I chopped 2 small garlics. I'm going to add that on top of the onion and tomatoes. My tomatoes and onion are done. I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of black pepper on top of that. Add 8 to 9 cups of water into the pot and let it boil. I chopped 2 medium carrots. I'm gonna put the carrots first because carrots takes a little bit longer than potatoes and celeries to cook. Let that boil for about 5 minutes. Now I cut about 3 sticks of celery and 3 medium potatoes in small pieces. I'm going to add that on top of the carrots. Cover the pot and let all the vegetables cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. The vegetables are halfway done cooked, so I'm going to add the spaghetti. I'm going to put about half a box of spaghetti and cut it in small pieces and then put it in the pot. Put the lid on for about 2 to 3 minutes and then remove the lid and let the spaghetti cook. Once the spaghetti is done, the soup is ready. The soup is ready. I chopped a little bit cilantro. I'm gonna add that into the pot and mix it very well. I'm gonna turn off the heat first and then squeeze the juice of one lime that I kept into the pot. Mix it very well. The vegetable soup is ready to be served. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate your support.